Okay, today I have a microscope. It's from Tomlov. It's a Tomlov store. Box inside of the box. Whoa. Whoa, look at this. We got directions. Those. Yes, yes. I've watched videos. Now this is supposed to be the 10-inch model. Has a screen cleaner, it looks like. Not a real big one, but it's there. And we have the light with the plug in. Remote looks like it's been opened before. Should be back here a little bit, shouldn't I? Here's the remote. Looks like the remote's been opened before, but the plastic is still in it, so we'll see how that goes. Has a 5-volt. Here's the light. It has a 110. Here is I think this is the UV filter, and this is the glare filter. So that's all the items. Here's the, what's this? This is the stand. Here is a Type-C USB, another Type-C USB, looks like a mini. Oh, it has big and small HDMI. Sure, that'll be self-explanatory in a minute. We have the microscope with the 10-inch screen. It says please remove protective film before using. And we have, let's pull this out. Oh, well, I guess that's all one piece here. Set that there. No, there we go. And we'll throw that down, and there's something there, and the base plate. And go ahead and take that away for me, please. Excuse me. See if I can get this camera adjusted here a little bit better so you see in more of the bench here. Turn. And that's a little bit better. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it says to remove that, but I'm going to wait just a minute. And there we go with this. Looks like this. Each of these little screws has a, where's my angle? See a little rubber, little plastic nub on there? That'll make it nice for grabbing on. Let's see. Up and down this way. Around this way, probably like this. Okay. There is, let's set that right there. Let's grab the microscope. Let's loosen these up first. There and there. Looks like it just, oh, look at that. It goes right down flush with the bottom. That's nice. Okay, we'll give that a little tighten. And now let's see, what do we got for hookups here? It has a SD card with it, I think. There we go. And it is, oh boy, 64. Look at that, 64 gig. Beautiful. Thank you, guys. Nice. Good. All right, let's start off with the light. First, let's go to the light. Because that's my focus. All right. And then I'm going to jack the unit up as high as it'll go here and also here. Because I want as much height on it as possible. I may even spin it around and get more height if it'll take the focus. All right, so let me take this, plug you in right there, pull you around back, and that's a substantial light. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now I have a couple of filters that I need to try to put on here. Okay, it looks like it might be easiest if I just set this whole apparatus right over here on its back. Take a look what they're telling me here with this UV. We've got this blocker here. Looks like it goes in first. It's like that. Looks like. And then this looks like it screws right into there. Okay. Stand her back up. Spin it back around here. Now, 5-volt output is right here. Output to where? To wherever I want. So here's a little USB. Another USB. Is there another HDMI? Okay, so HDMI is going to slip right into here. Nice. Right in there easily. I'll slip that right back over here to the computer. And then we have a Type C and a Type C. I need the long one. So we're going to power it from right here. I'm not going to power it from the computer. And let's slip that in right there. Okay. Now that should allow me to turn it on. Very nice so far. Oh yeah. Let me spin this screen around so at least you can see it on this video. Let me lower it down. Lower this down a little bit. There we go. Look at that. We can get this done, can't we? Take this little thing right here and give it a little kickback. Lower this down just a little bit more. Wow, making it so y'all can see it has really made it tight. Let me see if I have a little tiny circuit board here. I do. I do. Look at these. I got these little guys right here. Boom. Slip these underneath here. Right there. Some focus. Other way. Oh, look at that. That is so clear. Okay. I'm going to stop this video now. This is up, running, and working. And once I get it hooked up to the computer, I'll see if I can do something else. You have a great day. Okay, this is Greg. And we're back with the, turn that down just a little bit, the 4K digital microscope from Tomlov. I started the video yesterday. It took me a little while to get the ins and outs going, but here is what it looks like. There's a lot of shine on it. Let me move it out here a little bit so we can get in here. You can't turn off. I can turn this LED down, but the middle LED on the scope, you can only turn it down to 10%, and you can see this glare around the side. It's not a big deal. It just kind of bothers me. I'd like it to be gone, and I don't appear to be able to get it gone. I have every light in my shop. Oh, no, hold on. No, I don't. I have one more here. I can turn on. Okay, so this is a little ruler with a bunch of surface mount identification if you have something. Here is a little circuit board. This is a light chaser. Here are the components that go with it. Now, this is one thing I found while I'm recording and I have the USB plugged in, I have no zoom, not manual or anything else. The only thing I can do is raise or lower the unit to get it down closer to the part. And I don't really know why that is. And some of these, you see, I can't read that. I can't read that chip. Let's move it up here. A little more focus in here. Maybe I can on the monitor. It's bigger up here. Oh, look at that. Yes, I can. 2335 XDHWG 4? I think it looks like a 4. Looks like a CD4017BM. So yes, I can read those without using the zoom, just by moving it upside down. NE555 33K surface mount. So this is my first project, is going to be right here, is go through and testing all of these little parts and pieces and putting this together. So far, like I said, other than the zoom aspect, which I'm really disappointed in, I should be able to zoom this no matter what, where. I should be able to zoom down, and I have to unplug the USB to do it. But short of that, this went together easy. It connects to OBS. I am not going to give you a class in that because I'm barely competent to get it done myself. The reason why I'm making this video is because there are almost none out there. And Richard from Learn Electronics Repair was sent one of these for free. And I went to his station and ordered it through his station through Amazon. They didn't have any of the 8-inch screens, so I got a 10-inch screen, and it cost me, with his discount and with another 10% on Amazon, I got the entire unit for $264, $263 and change. So if you're looking for a good microscope that you can do videos with, this seems to fit the bill. So I'm not recommending it at this point. I've had it for less than 24 hours, but preliminarily it seems to work and function as advertised. So I hope this helps you make a decision one way or another. You have a great day.